Hello and welcome to the Wine Turtle YouTube channel. My name's Jamie and I've got some spectacular wine for you today. This is the 2019 Kirkland Signature Barolo, which costs just $19. Let's get into it. Barolo DOCG wine is from within the northern Italian region of Piemonte. Barolo needs to be aged for at least 36 months before release, with at least 18 months in wood. When aged for at least 5 years, it can be labelled as Reserva. Now, Barolo is made with 100% Nebbiolo grapes. These grapes are notoriously hard to grow and they are thick-skinned and very high in tannin. The wine actually really benefits from this extra time to age in oak as it softens those harsh tannins. And Barolo is a particularly expensive wine. The production costs are really high due to the extended aging process and also the fact that it's a really hard grape to grow. Right, I'm really excited to try this. Let's get into it. So it's a garnet colour, a dark garnet, quite a lot of opacity there, by no means a bold, full-bodied looking wine. Looks quite light in body. We'll find out shortly. There's a real earthy nature to this. It's very earthy and herbaceous. There's fruit there. But it's got real depth and character to it. A really lovely smelling nose. A wine with age. That's what it smells like, which exactly what it is. It's it smells amazing. Herbs, leather, strawberry, and some cherry, and the earthiness. Yeah, really quite lighter in body than what I was expecting. Medium-bodied wine. Really lovely interplay with the acidity and the tannins there. Both of which are big parts of this wine, big components here. A lot of acidity, medium plus acidity, medium tannin. But they're so delicately balanced in the wine. You start with that little bit of bright tongue tingling acidity, and then the tannins take hold, coat your mouth, but very gently so. It's not harsh and grippy like some tannins can be. Very finely tuned, finely grained tannins. They come in the mid palate and just coat your mouth with wonderful flavour before acidity comes back in again and leads to a wonderfully long, deep, persistent finish. So notes there, you've got a bit of strawberry and raspberry and a bit of plum with the herbs and like a balsamic vinegar as well. The oak, really wonderfully judged. Like I said, the tannins are really smooth. They've done great work here. And it's a wine with just a real depth of character. A wine that costs just $19. So Barolo, known as the king of wines, can be incredibly expensive. At just $19, this is very much an entry-level Barolo. But it's a really nice wine still, despite being just entry-level. It's a Kirkland Signature Series wine. Could be the best Kirkland Signature Series wine I've had before. Find out when I give a score in just a moment. So Barolo, the king of wines. Is this the king of Costco wines? Yeah, I think it is. So far anyway. I'm going to score this 9 out of 10. A channel leading score so far. This is just delicious. It really is. It's a wonderful wine. I haven't tasted a wine like this in a long time, not from Costco anyway. It's just wonderfully balanced, very delicate, a real depth of flavour. Yeah, you start with that earthy, herby nose. There's a bit of fruit there, but it's just, oh, it's so rich in flavour and smells. And then the structure, like I said, Nebbiolo is typically a very tannic grape, and it needs that time in oak to soften that harsh tannins. And this has been judged just beautifully. The tannins are not mild by any means. It's a medium tannin wine, but it just interplays wonderfully with the acidic nature of the wine as well. The acidity starts immediately on your tongue. The tannin take hold, the flavour fills your mouth, and then acidity leads to that long, bright, deep finish. It's just lovely wine, delicate, flavourful, Moorish. I can't wait to get tucked into this tonight. 9 out of 10. If you see it in Costco at $19, it's incredible value. Buy as many as you can afford. Barolo is a wine you can age, so you can stick them away, and they'll be good for years to come. Amazing wine. Go get it. See ya.